With VitalSleep, you'll get a personalized and adjustable anti-snoring device that molds to your teeth for improved comfort. You can say goodbye to snoring and enjoy a quiet, restful sleep thanks to VitalSleep's adjustable jaw positioning that opens up your airway. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars on dental lab-made devices. With VitalSleep, you can heat the mouthpiece for 45 seconds in hot water and mold it to your teeth. With VitalSleep, you'll experience improved breathing and quiet, restful sleep, less sleep disruptions due to snoring, an easy-to-mold mouthpiece designed for ultimate comfort, plus you'll save on expensive, uncomfortable contraptions. Remember, this snoring solution is just a click away.